Hi, it's me Anuja Regni. Student ID number 1811937 is standing in front of you to give a short presentation in information in technology-based branding as a part of our project. And the company we have selected for our project is Red Cross New Zealand. And we are and I belong to the part of group 4, and we have like friends Alexis, Matthias and Gerardo in our group, and is Matthias and Gerardo have already discussed briefly about the introduction and online electronic marketing and the role of websites. I would like to give more information about the role of online promotional mix in the brand management. So let's begin with the contents. Uh, the contents that I'm going to describe in this project are the introduction to Red Cross New Zealand and the integrated marketing communication that is used by the brand managers to give the brand message to the audience, and the positioning and repositioning of brands in online environment, the role of promotional mix in brand promotion, role of website to enhance the brand message, and the last one is the challenges faced by the brand managers in online environment. So let's begin with the introduction. New Zealand Red Cross was formed into November 10, 1959 in New Zealand, and the headquarters is in Wellington. And New Zealand Red Cross is the part of a largest humanitarian network in the world, which have more than 11,000 members and above 400 staffs as a volunteer to work uh, in the to improve the lives of the vulnerable peoples and the refugees which are across the street and around the world. And uh, the main I would like to describe about the concept of integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication actually is an approach used by the organization uh, to brand and communicate their communication skills to the audience, and they use different types of social networking platforms in order to convey the right message at the right place and in the right time. And the main objective of this platform is to earn maximum profit at minimum cost, but in part of like Red Cross, as it is a social organization, we do not it doesn't focus to earn more profit. It is because it is related with the volunteer organization. And the tools of integrated marketing communication used by the Red Cross for positioning and repositioning of its brand are advertising, personal selling, public relation, sales promotion, user-generated content, and the search engine optimization. The organization use different website content, social media marketing, and visual branding for integrated marketing communication to position and repositioning its brand all over the world. And for the purpose of attracting more customers, especially the youngster, the company uses different communication ways like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram to engage the young people in the advertisement. And the firm also used a tagline of "We are here for good" to give a strong position themselves in the market and attract the youngsters of New Zealand. And especially the firm is focusing on making the brand more appealing to the youngsters group. Is focused on increasing the youth of New Zealand to donate either by participating or purchasing the products from the Red Cross shop, because we have Red Cross shops that sells second-hand products in at the reasonable price and at cheaper price as compared to other shops. And the company recently has refreshed its logo in order to repositioning itself in the online environment and to increase its online presence through different channels like websites and emails. So let's begin with the advertising. Advertising is a paid form of non-personal promotional tool, and it is used for increasing brand awareness to the people. And we can convey, we can do the advertising in the forms of publishing different newsletters and articles in magazines that clearly shows that how what kind of services does it offers. And Red Cross is also displaying different its logos on vehicles, t-shirts, bags and hats to represent its brand to the customers. uh, and to give more information about the advertising, um, I would like to play the video. So let's play the video.
N20 has been helping to protect Kiwis for generations. But we're not the only ones. New Zealand Red Cross supports our communities every day, from a hot meal or a listening ear to a much-needed Red Cross parcel. They offer support and connection to the community, an invaluable service that's needed now more than ever. So help Red Cross support the people who need them. We're offering our support and asking for your support too.
So Red Cross is doing its advertising especially to increase brand awareness to the consumers. And the next one is personal selling. Personal selling is a form of face-to-face communication with potential customers, where the marketing don't show the interaction of customers with by selling their products to the customers, and especially it involves engaging the youths and sells different varieties of products um, to the people. And the next one is public relation. Public relation is to maintain the good and close relationship with the customers, and for in order to maintain the good relationship with the customers, they use different promotional tools to increase their brand image. And they also provide different trainings and services to the people in case of emergencies and during the disasters and in the pandemic situations. And they also organize different programs to empower the Kiwis of the New Zealand. And especially in during the pandemic situation of COVID, New Zealand Red Cross is offering different kinds of parcels to the needy people, and they also provide the gift cards to buy the groceries from the supermarkets like Pack and Save Warehouse, and so that they are helping the needy people during that lockdown period as well. And the next one is sales promotions. Sales promotion is a short-term activity developed by the companies itself in order to encourage the purchase by offering different discounts, coupons, etc. As I already mentioned, as I already discussed, that they are providing different types of coupons and vouchers to the customers. And the main focus of sales promotion is to encourage the large number of audience. And Red Cross also offers discounts 15%, almost 15% of range of first aid course in AA memberships. And as a Red Cross also enhance different community programs in order to involve the people in their programs. And the next one is user generated content. It is a it is the form of images, videos and dynamic text based on the preference of the users. And Red Cross Society is using different types of applications, including news, advertising, research, etc., to give brief descriptions to their audience, and it helps to build a deeply connection to the brand and helps to know more about the brand, so that I think. In my opinion, user-generated contents are usually in the form of videos and images, so that the customers knows clearly about the brand and the company. And the next one is search optimization engine. It is a software system designed to create out web searches, and it helps to increase the brand awareness and to grab the audience of at the right time. And the Red Cross Society is using the Google Ads as mentioned in the picture, and the another one as well, the Microsoft Bing Ads, for this purpose. And I would like to describe the role of website to enhance the brand messages. Uh, New Zealand Red Cross is a big volunteer organization that attracts large number of youth of New Zealand, and they are uh, they are offering different programs through their different websites like um, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. But the most popular sites they mostly used are the Facebook and the Instagram, so that they post their all details and informations and what are and their activities, mostly in the Facebook and the Instagram pages, so that the people know everything about the New Zealand by searching in the Facebook and the Instagram as well. And the companies also uses video marketing techniques in the context of the website, and it that enables the brand manager to attract a large number of customers towards the brand, and to encourage using and visiting their website on a regular basis. And it also keeps on changing the content of the website, like infographics and videos, to provide different types of visitors, because they have different experience about the brand. And they also following particular strategy that in order to increase in order to attract more number of customers, by reducing the cluttering and the podcasts. And finally, I would like to describe the challenges which are faced by the brand managers in online environment. Mm, Mainly, the main challenges faced by the brand managers in online environment are the long-term sustainability, insufficient resources, and the increased competition. Uh, Due to the large number of websites, the company sometimes face problems of traffic, and uh, due to the technical glitches, the website disappoints a large number of visitors. So it does reduce the number of visitors, and it is a social organization, and therefore it becomes difficult to develop the social media strategy which keeps the public engaged. And also the website has only a computer version, and there is no mobile application for it, which makes it difficult for the company to reach much youth, and mostly the youth of New Zealand. And uh, due to the technical glitches and the limited resources, the large number of visitors get disappointed, and thus reduce the quantity and quality of traffic at websites. And the website has only a computer version, and there is no more mobile application. Thus, it makes difficult for the Red Cross company to reach each and every audience. And due to the high competition, brand manager faced really difficult to gain the attention of potential customers towards the message. Thus, it makes challenging for the brand managers to derive ideal traffic at their websites. Any queries?
Okay, guys, any questions?
No question.
No?
Thank you for
Okay,
your
thank you, Anu. Alright. Yeah, also very good content, Anu, very detailed. Okay, so good evaluations. It's like just let's say, but students like relate back to the and let's say look back to the notes, right? Okay, and then it's like say just for the integrated marketing communication, there you can just point out because the points you described it are actually the 4 C's we are talking about. So you just need to point out which C are you talking about. All right? Yeah. And then, but for the promotional mix tool, for the advertising, personal selling, and public relations, these 3 you need to relate emphasize more on the online context because so far you're still focused just more on the let's say the physical world, right? How they use it. All right. And then for the user generated content, you need to be more clear. Okay, and the rest will be fine. Okay, thank you, Anuja.
Thank you.